Morning po. A blessed Happy New Year and Feast Day of Mother of God to all of us. This is Charlie, Bright Coffee Charles, Blanca Villa. I'm here at the National Shrine of Men's Health of Christians, Paris National Shrine, dito po sa Barangay Don Bosco, David Subdivision, Paranaque City. Today is January 1, 2025. Happy New Year po to all of us and a blessed feast day. Mga Mary. I hope nakapagsimba na po tayo bilang Catholic sa Catholic congregation. Po ako sa facade ng Mary Help of Christians Parish National Shrine. Nagsimba na po ako ng 8 a.m. Mass. Then as extraordinary minister of the Holy Communion po, mag-serve po ako mamaya ng 10 a.m. And again, pasok ko na. So, sa call center agent. And again, I hope nakapagsimba na po tayo dito sa ating mga parokya. Again, this is Kobe Charles. I hope our New Year be more blessed, more successful, more nature, more healthier, more achieving, more secured, more safe, or safer. Yun po ang panalangin sa lahat po tayo. Sa akin mga family, relatives, and friends, siyempre sa mga loving guys. And again, always stay safe po tayo lagi and stay healthy. Again, blessed Happy New Year po to all of us. And may God bless, protect, and guide us always. This Charlie Cobichas, Tablang Pamilya. May God bless, protect, and guide all of us always. Blessed Happy New Year for all of us. Blessed Feast Day.